Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on a Monday, August the 17th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. There is no additional today. I've noticed. Look, no additional. Let me focus this. I cannot find a page with the additional, with extra Sudokus. I do not know why the publisher has not published it today. Yeah, no, this is the last one. So, and here also no. It's usually on one of the last pages. This is so today no extra Sudokus, only one Sudoku. So no. This is the first page. Yes. So disappointment for the Sudoku lovers. Only one regular Sudoku, and this one will be number. Let me focus this. This one will be a number 1359. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. How many numbers are in this Sudoku, so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. In the additional, the 1 star has 27, the 4 stars 24. So you have a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot say a 4-star Sudoku is very hard. Sometimes, not sometimes, usually I solve this within 30 minutes. So the difficulty level depends also how many pairs are in this in the puzzle. Anyway, no talking. Let me count first. We have here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26. So 26 printed digits or numbers. If you compare, it will be a 2-star Sudoku in the additional. Alright, so let's get started. Which number can I pick? Pick. How about the 9? We see here 9 in this row, A9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 909 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Let me see. How about the number? The number. Well. How about the 5 in this row, the last row, 5 in the row above? So in that row, the only two places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5, need more numbers. The 2 in this row, A2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 1, 3, 7. Yeah. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7 in this row. We have a 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these two 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 7 goes in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark them for you. That means the other 3 numbers in this row are the numbers the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be in these 2 boxes. The 5 is missing. We see here 5, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. And the number 8, we see here 8, so no 8 in this box. And I see here the 8 and the 2 together, so I eliminated the 5 because it's a pair with the 2 and an 8, 2 and 8, so this should be a 5. Alright, how about these 3 numbers? The 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah, I need more information. Well, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 to be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. The 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 numbers. It's a pair, so I mark them for you. Alright. So we have a 6 in this third row, 6 in the first row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about the number? Yeah. We have in the third row 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 4, the 5, and the 8. And look, we have the 4 and the 5 here in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. So one digit left should be the 8. The 4 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them for you so you can follow it easier. That means yeah, the 1, the 3, and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And we have a 7 here, so this will be eliminate the 7, so this should be the 3. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here the 4 and the 5. So these two boxes should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row. The first row for the number 1. And then 4, 5, 3. 5 in this column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. Here, 4 and the 3. How about these two numbers? The 2 and the 1 are missing in this column. That means the other two numbers should be 2 and the 1. The 8 and the 2 and the 1. 8 and the 5. 8 and a 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and a 5. Yeah. 1, 8 and 4. Alright. So in this big square, one of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be in one of these two boxes. So we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. This number should be number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. And then 4 and 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 and 8 are missing in this big square. 2 and 8. That means in this column, 1 box left. 2 and 8. This should be the number 4. 1 and 8 are missing. Yes. Alright. Then Let me see. Here the 2. The 5 are used. Yeah, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 4. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3. Then 2 and the 1 are missing, so 1 box left in this big square. 2 and 1. This should be the number 8. 8 is missing here. 1 box left in this column, number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8 and the 1. We have a 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, and a lot of talks in this video. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like this Sudoku Medium, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and make and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new ones to my channel. Thank you. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.